Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I would like to show you how to connect internet from mobile to computer. So let's begin our video. So guys, here you can see this is my mobile phone and I want to connect the internet from mobile phone to my laptop, and I need a extra USB cable. So here is my USB cable. I just use this cable for connect internet from mobile to computer. So let's begin. So first of all, I just need to open my mobile phone, and then I just need to connect this USB port, USB cable, and connect this USB on my laptop. So here you can see I just connect it. Well, right now what I need to do, I just need to open the mobile data. Here you can see I just open my mobile data, and then let's back and open phone settings, and then scroll down and try to find out connection and sharing. Here you can see, just open it. Right now if you scroll down, you can find USB threading. Here you can see there have an option USB threading. So you just need to enable this option. Here you can see I just enable this option. So after enable this option, right now open any browser. I just simply open it, and if I just open Gmail, here you can see right now it's working perfectly. I can open anything. Like if I open web store, so here you can see it's also open. So that's it guys. In this way you can connect internet or you can share internet from mobile to your mobile phone to your laptop or computer very easily. So I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.